Hi, this is Queen from AEvent Support. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create timeline action to start a workflow, remove from workflow, and delete subscriber using your Drip account integration with AEvent. So from here, assuming that you have already successfully integrated your Drip account to AEvent, from the dashboard, you just have to open the timelines page and open your timeline. Once on this page, you just have to click on the Create Action button, and we have to set up when we want the action to be triggered. So we'll be starting with starting a workflow action. So let's set this up 5 minutes after the event has started or the webinar has started. So we will be targeting attendees, and let's select Drip. And the action we want is to start workflow. And then let's select the workflow we want started 5 minutes after the event has started. So let's select this one and just click on create at the bottom. So we have successfully added that action. Next, we want to create a timeline action to remove from workflow. So let's just click on the create action button. Again, it's on the same day, but this time I'll be setting it up um, 30 minutes after the webinar has started, and I'll be targeting non-attendees. So I want them to be removed from the workflow, and that would be the workflow 2. So just click on create at the bottom, and we have successfully added that action. Lastly, we'll be creating a timeline action to delete a subscriber. So just click on create action the same day, but this time I'll be setting it up, say 1 hour after the event has started. So I'll be targeting non-attendees, select drip again, and we want to delete subscriber, non-attendees 1 hour after the event has started. So just click on create at the bottom, and we have successfully added that action. So that's all for this video. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and subscribe to our channel so you get notified of new video uploads. Thank you for watching.